welcome guys and girls to a lap of the Phillip Island Grand Prix circuit. We're straight into the super fast doing corner here, 5th gear, and try to keep up most of that momentum for the run into Southern Loop. This is a tricky double apex corner with a later entry than you think and a tight exit, but if you link it all up, you'll get down to Stoner Corner pretty quickly. So through Stoner Corner now, and then you've got to get hard on the brakes. Honda is the slowest turn at Phillip Island, and you'll want to drive out of it pretty fast to get set up for Siberia. So into Siberia now, and a little bit of left foot brake to keep the nose nice and tidy, and then it's hard on the throttle basically all the way through to Lukey Heights. Use the rumble strips to your advantage here to help the car turn in a little bit, especially this one as you pop through the hay shed. And then just a little bit of brake to get the nose settled as you pass through Lukey Heights. Now, Lukey can throw the car's balance off, and you really need to regain that balance before you get down the bottom of the hill at MG. Then basically it's hard on the throttle again for the run through 11 and 12, and run really nice and wide. Use all of the track that you can to maximise your speed onto Gardner Straight, and that's it. 12 corners later, we're back to where we started. Hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to see the rest of our videos as they come online.